When wheel noise, vibration, or uneven tire wear start to appear, a worn hub assembly is often the root cause. MOOG wheel hub assemblies are engineered to restore smooth, confident driving by delivering reliable performance you can depend on. Designed with problem-solving innovation and tested to demanding standards, this hub assembly helps protect critical suspension and braking components while supporting safe vehicle operation. A precise roll form design ensures consistent factory-installed preload, minimizing excessive noise and reducing premature wear. This optimized preload helps maintain smooth rotation and stable wheel performance throughout the life of the hub. The application-specific advanced raceway design further reduces stress, heat buildup, and unnecessary rotation on internal components, contributing to extended service life even under demanding driving conditions. Installation is straightforward thanks to MOOG's focus on ease of use. Each hub assembly is engineered for fast, hassle-free installation with proper alignment right out of the box. Coated wheel studs provide added corrosion protection, resisting rust for easier removal, accurate torquing, and long-term durability in harsh environments. Every MOOG hub assembly undergoes rigorous testing throughout the design and development process. MOOG engineers validate fit, form, and function to ensure consistent quality you can trust. This commitment to testing and material selection results in dependable performance that meets the expectations of both professional technicians and experienced DIY installers. Customer feedback highlights excellent fitment and thoughtful details, such as secure electrical connectors with new retaining clips for sensor wiring. Owners of vehicles like the 2010 Nissan Titan Pro 4X report smooth installation and immediate improvement in performance once installed, reinforcing MOOG's reputation for quality and reliability. Before purchasing, confirm compatibility with your specific vehicle to ensure proper fit. If you are ready to restore quiet operation and dependable wheel support, click the product link in the video description to check current availability. Subscribe to the channel to discover more trusted automotive replacement parts and practical solutions designed to keep your vehicle performing at its best.